What is Docker? So Docker is a standardized package that contains everything your application needs to run the code, runtime, libraries, and even system tools. To install a Docker, go to the Docker documentation site and copy the command and simply paste it into the terminal. After we downloaded all the necessary packages, copy and paste the last command to install it. Docker ps to build the running container, but there is no edit container running currently. Docker ps-a command will display all the container, both edit and inedit one. Docker images command will display the list of images currently available. Now let's create a Docker image using a Dockerfile. Go to the Visual Studio Code and create a new Dockerfile. Then we try to write the Docker packaging command. The first line is to declare that this is the Docker syntax, and second line is the try to declare which specific version of the Python, and then try to say this is the working directory, docker-py, and then copy the requirement.txt file and also download the Python packages using the requirement.txt, and then copy all the downloaded file into the Docker image. And then the last command is to run the command to be run inside the container. So now we are going to create the app.py. So we're gonna use the Flags framework and then try to create a new app using the Flags and try to write the decorator using this is the default route and run into the function homepage, and it will return the simply one line of HTML code and try to run the application. So now we're going to create the requirements.txt file to download all the necessary Python libraries. So these are the packages required to run the Python Flux web application. So now we're going to build an image. So we do the Docker build -t to name Docker image. Now we have successfully created the Docker image. So now you can see that the image was created. Or we're going to run the Docker container using the previously created image. So Docker run -d to run in the detached mode, and the -p to export the 5000 TCP port to the local machine. And then we point to our container image. So now we have successfully run the Docker image. We try to test using the call command to browse to the localhost :5000. So now you can see that the web server is successfully returned the HTML text. Now we go to the Chrome web browser and then try to type in the localhost :5000. Try to test the running web application in the container. So now you can see the web application is running successfully